Famous American poet and philosopher Thoreau said that for every 1,000 hacking at the leaves of evil, there is one striking at the root. Which means that you could see many problems, yet there could be one root cause. And if you fix the root cause, all the problems would vanish away. Yeah? And one powerful example is this, that if we could make our children great at math, their logical skills would improve. If their logical skills improve, they become more intelligent. When they become more intelligent, they start applying their intelligence across other subjects. And when they do that, they become academically stronger overall. So for every 1,000 hacking at the leaves of evil, there is one striking at the root. Thoreau, you are awesome.